Hey guys, welcome. What I'm not gonna do is introduce myself. You either know me or you don't. I feel like watching other YouTubers when they start and you're watching the introduction, you're like, dog, shoot me. So no more introductions, okay? We're just gonna jump into it because I don't feel like anybody should be wasting time at all whatsoever. Period. Okay? So we're just gonna get into this. So listen, girl. Let me tell you. So today I did my little fashion shoot. I did it with an Express outfit, right? Now I was given a little challenge. So apparently Express wanted me to be their ambassador, and I was like, okay, cool, okay. And then I was like, well, how are we gonna get this clothes? Because I gotta spend my own money. And there's nothing wrong with spending my own money, but because I'm not too familiar with Express clothing, I was like, I only have like 2 or 3 things from Express that I literally bought myself. All my other clothing is from either Guess, The Gap, Abercrombie and Fitch, where else? Fashion Nova. So I'm not like too united with Express yet. So I was like, how is this going to work? So I was like, all right, we're just gonna make it work. And then they were like, we'll send you a little gift card every time you post. I was like, okay, cool, I can do that. So I looked at the price of how much the gift card is. I was like, well, we're gonna have to make it work, okay? So the gift card is $50, right? Electronic gift card. So I was like, okay. Maybe Express is not that expensive. Maybe I could get a shirt and a top. Maybe. Girl, we don't know. We don't know, because back in the day when I was shopping at Express, your girl was in the clearance aisle. Clearance? So I was all right. But then the campaign said you cannot buy things that are on clearance or things that are on sale. So I said, okay, let me go to the store. Let's see what these prices are looking like, right? So I went and I said, my God, a shirt is $105. One shirt? So I said, all right. The one thing I will give Express is the prices are pricey because the material of the clothing is top tier. So I said, okay, I understand the pricing. I get it. We're just gonna have to make it work, right? So I was all right. So I'm looking through the store. I was like, okay, you're on a budget right now because one, boyfriend's birthday is coming up, Christmas is coming up. I gotta buy my mom gifts. I gotta buy my stepdad gifts. Mortgage will be due. I said, you know what? We're gonna make it work. So I said, I'm only gonna buy myself one thing, and whatever else I have in the house, we're gonna make it work. Period. Right? So I'm in the Express store. I'm thinking. I'm looking. I say, you know what, South? We're gonna use our military discount at Express, number 1. And we're gonna pick something that's not going to break my pocket so that I have enough to spread around to get gifts for everyone. That's what we did. So I came out with one item discounted, and I have one item and discounted, right? My military discount. So I said, okay, we're gonna make it work. I said, God, we're gonna make it work, baby. So I had to think. I'm thinking real hard. I'm on the drive back home. I'm like, what am I gonna do with this? So I'm thinking. I'm like, wait. A couple weeks ago, I did buy something that was on sale as a skirt. And I was like, you know what? It's a tube skirt. Being that it's a tube skirt, it can be transformed into a tube top. And I said, but Lord, it's fall. It's cold in other places. This might look weird. But then I was reminded, Danny, you live in Florida. It's still hot where you at. So even if it doesn't pertain to the other people in other states because it's cold and snowing over there, it doesn't mean that it doesn't pertain to the people in Florida. So maybe this is just supposed to reach the people that are in Florida. So I said, okay, let me show you what I did, y'all. I'm gonna show you the video. I want you to watch the video. It's about like 50 seconds long. Watch the video. Don't mind my hand. Your girl got eczema because I had some dairy. If you're like me, you know. Whoa. But yeah.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight.
Okay. So listen. I want to tell y'all what it really is, right? Let me show y'all the shirt that I turned into an outfit. This is the literal skirt from Express, right? From Express. Hello? From Express. This is a skirt, right? It has the pleated flirty bottom and then like the stretchy top. Right, so I said, you know what, we're gonna turn this into a shirt, and if they don't like this campaign, honey, they can kiss my booty. So, y'all, this is a large skirt. You can see the label is from Express. I'm not lying, right? But this is originally meant to be a skirt. So I said, listen, we're gonna turn this into a tube top, a flirty tube top, okay? And then this is the pants that I had bought from Express with my discount, my military discount, and I was like, absolutely. Now it is loose fitting. I wanted it to be a lot more loose than what I was seeing on the mannequin, because if you know me, you know I like comfortable wear. So it is an elastic, like elastic waist, and for people like me with the apple body shape, elastic waist helps us a lot because it's just different, you know? It improves comfortability in your outfit, confidence, all of that. So I was like, I'm totally for it. So this is also Express. Again, this is a large, right? So super comfortable. It has pockets, girl. The pockets are everything. Pockets are everything, right? Yeah, I love this. I would totally wear this again. This is not a one-time wear. I think I'm gonna do a video where I put different shirts together with this to show you guys the feel and the look. But this is not a one-time wear. This was so cute. This was so comfortable. This was very flirty, but sexy, but chic, but sporty. It was just everything. So totally will match this with other things. Like I said, skirt, shorts turned into a top with the shorts. So now the next question may be, well, Dana, why did you put on heels with that? Why did you wear Adidas sneakers? So with my personality, if you're unaware, I am a survivor of myself, right? And I realized that when I did survive myself, I